इतिहास का मैं आईना हूं, तहजीब का रंग सुनहरा हूं। गंगा जमुना मेरी आंखें, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं, मैं नवयुग का अंदाज भी हूं। सारी दुनिया का घर मुझ में, इस मिट्टी का आदर मुझ में। मैं देशभक्त भी कर रहा हूं, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा, मैं नए भारत का चेहरा।
लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, लंदन देखा, पेरिस देखा, और देखा जापान। माइकल देखा, एल्विस देखा, सब देखा मेरी जान। सारे जग में कहीं नहीं है दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान, दूसरा हिंदुस्तान। महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। मेरी जमीन महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। चाह डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा। वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोग, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी। जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी, जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। वंदे मातरम,
चिट्ठी आ गई सबकी।
बेटा, इस दिवाली घर आओगे ना? मैं तुम्हारी राह देखूंगी।
संदेशे आते हमें तड़पाते, चिट्ठी आती है पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे। तुम बिन ये घर सुना सुना है। गुजरने वाली हवा बता उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे। मैं वापस आऊंगा, मैं वापस आऊंगा, आऊंगा, एक दिन आऊंगा, मातरम वंदे वंदे, मातरम वंदे वंदे, वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे, मातरम वंदे वंदे, वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे वंदे, मातरम वंदे वंदे, मातरम वंदे वंदे।
जान हथेली पर रख कर हम अपना सीना तान चले। ओ, जान हथेली पर रख कर हम अपना सीना तान चले। हंसते हंसते भारत माँ तुझ पे हो कुर्बान चले। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे
ऐसे में पुलिस ऑफिसर नहीं हूं, मैं इंडियन हूं, इंडियन।
वंदे भारत माँ के वीर नहीं कम, बन के हम तूफान चले। भारत माँ के वीर नहीं कम, बन के हम तूफान चले। एक तिरंगे के पीछे सारा हिंदुस्तान चले। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम।
मातरम वंदे वंदे।
Such a delightful performance it was. These little ones brought so much joy secured the top disc position in the non-medical stream. The 2024 to 2025 session saw a remarkable merit awards with 23 in class 12 and 18 in class 10. These achievements are a testament to our dedicated teachers, hard work and the disciplined efforts of our students.
Our sporting spirit is well recognized across Haryana. Holy Child has produced 12 international athletes and 200 national level players excelling in various sports disciplines. Over the past 4 years, our sport persons have earned scholarship exceeding rupees 1.25 crore awarded by the Department of Sports and the Youth Affairs Government of Haryana. Our playgrounds nurture athletes who epitomize perseverance, overcome challenges and exemplify true sportsmanship, fostering an environment where champions are made. Success. Alongside academics and sports, Holy Child proudly holds a rich tradition in co-curricular achievements. We are honored to be 10-time overall district champions in primary culture competitions and both 33 state-level medal-winning teams across diverse activities. Our students participate enthusiastically in events organized annually by the Government of Haryana and CBSE. Consistently winning numerous prizes at district and inter-school competitions. These accomplishments highlight our commitment to fostering creativity, teamwork, and leadership skills beyond the classroom. Group Song Excellence. The school's group song team secured first position in Bharat Vikas Parishad Group Song competition under the expert guidance of Mr. Balram and Mr. Priyanshu. Winning team members: Mishti 11 Science, Himanshi 12 Humanities, Sanjana 11 Science, Simran 11 Science, Hina 11 Science, Priyanshu 9 Genius and Tanishka 11 Science, Aman 11 Science, Alok 11 Science, Lalit 11 Science and Jatin 9 Genius. Mishti, class 11 Science, added further laurels by clinching second position in inter-school solo song competition. Gitika, class 9 Genius, secured second position in Rangoli making competition at Bal Bhavan, Hisar. Lalit and Jigyasa, class 11 Science, collectively earned second position in the district level GK quiz competition. Princy, class 10 Genius, won third position in the inter-school declamation contest. Khushi, class 5th Brilliant, achieved third position in Hindi writing competition. The Kala Utsav Mind Team captivated audiences to secure third position featuring Ansh, Tanishka and Simran, class 11 Science, alongside Sunny, class 12 Humanities. Jigyasa, class 12 Science, received a consolation prize in the on-the-spot sketching competition. Mansi, class 8 Genius, earned a consolation prize in the clay modeling competition.
Sports achievements. Holy Child, our school has continued to demonstrate excellence and bring pride through remarkable performance at national, state and district level in various sports. National level achievements. Tamanna and Riya class 9th secured first place in the 58th Kortball national tournament held in Chennai. Rihan class 7th won first place in the Karate Championship 2025 Mumbai. Bhavna class 4th achieved first place in the under 10 category of the Delhi round of the National Sudoku Championship 2025 for the second consecutive year. Shivam class 10th Brilliant and Kalpana class 9th Unique secured third place in yoga and the 15th National Athletic Competition respectively. Kunjal class 11th Humanities obtained third place in the 68th National School Games Netball. Himanshi class 12th Humanities participated commendably in the same netball event. State level achievements. Shruti class 11th Humanities and Ritik class 11th Science secured first place in handball and gymnastics respectively. Arpita class 9 Brilliant obtained second place in taekwondo. Simran and Usha class 9, Nancy class 11th Humanities and Kavita class 10 secured third place in the state netball tournament. Tejas class first brilliant and Arohi class fourth genius participated in inline skating. Hari Lakshmi class 8th unique earned third place in boxing. District level achievements: Diksha class 7 genius and Pallavi class 8th unique secured first place in district netball. Shaktiman class 9 brilliant and Kanika class 10 genius obtained second place in judo and junior district athletics long jump respectively. Sanyam class 6th unique and Jatin class 11th humanities earned third place in judo and boxing respectively.
Holy Child Senior Secondary School Nisar 2025-26. Our school has earned prestigious recognition from CBSE, standing among the top schools for outstanding participation and performance in national challenges. Mathematics Promotion School. The school was honored as a mathematics promotion school by CBSE based on the maximum number of students participating in Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge, a significant milestone reflecting our commitment to mathematical excellence. Aryabhatta Ganit Challenge. Merit certificates awarded to Sujal and Sayam. CBSE Reading Challenge. 5 students received participation certificates for their engagement in this literacy initiative. CBSE Science Challenge. Merit certificates awarded to Sayam Class 10 for expectational performance. CBSE Budding Author Challenge Program. Participation certificates were awarded to Ketar, Divyanshi, Arav and Prince Class 7 and Ritika Class 8. Special Literacy Achievement. Sameer Class 10 was selected for the CBSE Budding Author Program with his story said to be published in the CBSE e-magazine.